SpongeBob, you will be mine.
He is doing on his computer.
Okay, Lou, how dare you misbehave on the Disney Cruise Line?
Curly, get it back here right now. Now.
The fight crying here at home?
The nice man taking things in the kitchen helped me get it.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not.
I know I heard him.
Stop, Lou, how dare you shit on the school?
Now I am going to tell her what you did when she gets home.
That's it. Get off the computer and I will close your YouTube account and...
I know, I hear you. Nico. I'll make your heart go. Okay? Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah, you could be bald and have a big nose.
Also mean an immoral pleasure seeker. Ken.
What's a hoe?
No.
Sorry. That's a great idea. But where do we begin?